All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Going to be doing a video on my trade that went really well for me on Cock in a Box. And I have been investing in meme coins. And I thought I'd share this one with you guys because it was a very, very good success. I invested $50 in Cock in a Box, and it was below $20,000, about below or at about 20K market cap. So it was just after it launched, somewhere down here, and I ended up selling it right around $40. So I waited a little while. It actually went all the way up here to about $75, but unfortunately I was sleeping. It was in the middle of the night, and when I woke up it had already gone down and started going down, so I decided to sell. I made about $2,000 on it, so it was a big success on that trade. Those are few and far between. So I just wanted to touch base on that and talk about it a little bit. So I'm finding that X is a good place to go to find out about these tokens and to get some information about the credibility of these tokens. And if you're going to play these meme coins, do not, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you have to invest in your own risk. These are very risky, and chances are you're going to run into a couple of rug pulls. And I've been a victim of that a couple of times myself. It's part of the game if you're going to be investing in these meme coins, especially at the beginning, soon after launch. So I found that X is a very good resource. You get a lot of people trying to invest in these. Some of the people on X, they really know how to spot a winner, and you can follow along and see what they're investing in at least, and figure out, okay, well, this guy seems credible because he invested in this, meme coin X, and X went to, did well. They do that a few times in the legitimate projects that haven't rug pulled. Then you can tell who's credible and who isn't on X. I'm finding that's working for me. A couple other things that I look for is, my recommendation, again, I'm not, this isn't financial advice. This is just what I do. I look for make sure that they at least have a website and that they're active on Telegram. So they should have at least put up a website, at least have a Telegram channel. And I joined Cock in a Box's Telegram channel right away, and the devs there and the admins were very active and very supportive of the project in terms of that they're going to be doing this, and they follow through on what they say, and they built a place where you can stake your tokens and get Cock Inu rewards. So that was pretty big, and they did that pretty soon after launch, or at launch, I think. I don't really remember too specifically, but they did build it, so that was key. And the timing is key too. You want to make sure that you're in a bull market. There's hype. There was a lot of hype in meme coins at the time, especially with Cock Inu. So, and I believe it was the first one on Avalanche to get to have rewards in Cock Inu. So that was big too. And there was a lot of hype. The project's still going. I think they released some NFTs. We can shoot over to their website. You can kind of see, you can connect your wallet, you can stake, and They were supposed to release some NFTs. I'm not sure where they're at with that. I don't hold it anymore. I would like to buy some again, but in order to get Cocky New Rewards, you need volume because it is a tax token, and taxes go to the volume. So it goes to the reward. So it's kind of hard to be in the token if you're not getting really rewards. So check them out. I did a review on it a while back. I'll leave a link in the description, but I just wanted to talk about it a little bit because it's probably one of my best plays in terms of making money. I'm $50 to $2,000. Was a pretty successful play. Let me know in the comments section, how you guys play these meme coins and what you look for. Obviously, you want to make sure the contract's renounced, which these guys didn't do until after launch because of the, it was the ERC 404 issues that, you can't just renounce it. You have to wait after launch. And, burning, I think they burnt the liquidity. So they did that soon after launch. They did follow through on that. So it all fell into place. But many times it doesn't happen like that. It's very risky. Let me know how you play these in the comment section. And just want to mention, guys, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. I also have a Discord channel I set up, and I post a lot of newly launched, mostly Avalanche, but it can be anything, but Avalanche seems to have a lot of meme coins coming out. But I post, newly launched tokens, and I try to make sure that they're, I can't say I'm perfect, but a lot of the projects are legitimate. The contracts, been renounced, tokens burned. So check out the Discord. You can post there as well if you find one you like that you want to share with the community. And I try to post there as well when I find a good one. I just want to also say that this video has been brought to you by Cratex Exchange. So check them out. It's a really good small exchange, and I like them. And they list my project, Baby Pangolin Coin, and it's very reputable, credible, been around for a while. So check them out when you get a chance. Appreciate you watching. And like, subscribe. Be much appreciated. Trying to grow the channel. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.